Alright, how you doing guys? Today I just want to create this quick, well, I don't know how quick it'll be, but this little video, I want to show you guys how to create your own animated GIF banners that you can use for whatever program you might be involved with or product or offer that you have. That you can create these banners relatively quickly, and I'll show you a few sites that you can actually go to and sign up for free, and you'll be able to submit the banners that you created so you can start generating some traffic. Um, Now, I'm sure there's other ways to create these banners, but let's just say, what was it? A couple days ago, I was like, okay, I'm in these advertising sites, and this is a really great way to get traffic because you set it up, once, and it's a very, very low maintenance. You might check up on it once in a while to see if how they're converting, and then it just kind of runs by itself, and you'll be getting subscribers daily. So, excuse me. So, I'll just give you a little quick rundown about myself and my background. I've been in internet marketing for several years now. I've joined, MLM network companies, of course. Um, I would say probably at least a good, 80% of the people out online are in some type of company like that. If you have your own list right now, the majority of them are in some type of company like that. So one of the best things to do, and what I've learned a while back, it took me a very long time to be able to um, come to terms with it, or um, take my head out of my butt, sort of speak, if you want to say. But basically, I was very stubborn, and it took me a lot of years to understand and just come to terms and realize that the one thing that you should really focus on in order to make a living and make decent money online is to be able to build your list. That should be your focus, okay? And ever since I started doing that a couple years ago, things have changed tremendously for me in my business. So I just want to share with you a few things today, and hopefully, what I'd like to do is start creating some more training, some more value that I can share with you guys to help you propel you in your business. And hopefully you'll get some insights and some aha moments, and maybe stop chasing that shiny object, or the next best thing, or this or that. Because also when I stopped doing that is when I started saving a boatload of money as well. So let me just go. I'm just gonna go. Okay, so I'm uh, I'm on a list from Frank Salinas. He's a great marketer. Um, he's real a legit person. He's good-hearted. He's one of my mentors. I follow him, and I learn a lot of really powerful strategies and tips from him. So one of the things that I've done is he's got a few ad network sites that I've been recently putting my stuff up on to get traffic. So let's go. What I'm going to do is I'll take you to one of the sites now. Let's see. Now, when I join these sites through him, you can join these free, and you can get some free credits that you'll be able to set up your ads and your banners and stuff like that. Get quite a bit of traffic from. Now, remember, guys, these are all people that are in some kind of business looking to, get some exposure for their business, their product, or whatever. And so this is a really good place to get this type of traffic, because what happens, people come here, they start looking around, and nature of the beast, something will catch their eye, then they'll check it out, then they may buy it if they think that it'll help them, or they may, it's just like I said, nature of the beast. They might hop in or join another program. that's just kind of the way it is, you know. A lot of people just that's in the stage that they're at, and you know, don't fight it. Just kind of go with the flow. So one of the networks that I'm part of now, when I joined these, I joined as a founding member, and you could certainly
Congratulations. You just
let me just pause that. You can certainly do that, but you can also join free, and you'll get free ad credits, and you can also I'll show you where you can buy additional credits as well. Um, so you'll just come to the site. I'll have all the information at the bottom of this video, so you'll be able to check it out if you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Now, when you first come in and you sign in, you're going to be presented with, you know, some offer that somebody else has put up on here, and you'll be able to put an offer up there as well. You'll be presented with some upsells here to get some credits. You can certainly take advantage of that or not. It's up to you. Or you can just stick with the free stuff for now. But again, this point of this video is not, you know, to get you to sign up or anything like that. If you want to, you certainly can. The links to these sites will be linked to my affiliate link, so I will appreciate it if you do. But again, the purpose of this video is to show you where you can get traffic, but more importantly, how to create your own banners. So there's Frank. He used to be an ex-gang member. Was it back in early 2000 or before that? But he got involved in internet marketing, I believe around 2007, and his main focus, you know, he struggled at first for the first couple of years, but then he smartened up, and his business now is mainly around building a list and solo ads, and that's really what you should be focusing on. So what you can do is, let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger, a window. Oh, maybe I can't. And just so you know, I'm using a program called Screencast-O-Matic. It's really cool at taking video and really cool stuff. I got a yearly membership on it. I think it's like $20 a month or $20 for a year. So it's really cool. I use it all the time. So okay. So back in, once you signed up and you logged in, you go to manage ads, and I got some ads going on here. This is more of a text ad. Some banner. Okay, where are the banner ads at? Okay, so right here, see, this is the type of banners that you'll be able to place, and these will be pretty much spread out all throughout the site on a rotator, and you just, you know, every time this page is refreshed, or they only last so long, and you can see that one change there. But if you have a promo code, you can put it in here, you can redeem it, get some more credits. If not, you can purchase some of these very cheap, you know, $3 for 1,000 credits, etc., etc. But down here, this is where, okay, this is the banner statistics, some text links that I got up here. There's all kinds of options, you know, to get traffic, get your stuff out there, guys. So it's really cool. And it's kind of, you know, set it and forget it for the most part. You know, check up on it once in a while, and add some more ads in there. Swap out, you know, do some tests so you could see what's converting a little bit better. You know, say this one's got 1,592 displays with 10 clicks, and that's not bad. You know, it's under 1%, but you know, I haven't played around with much here, so main thing is take action, guys. Get things up there, get it going. You know, just take massive action getting things going and out there. And Don't worry about being perfect, or if it's not working great. You got to get things out there, and then you can start to refine things as time goes on. So, for instance, here's a banner ad I created. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as an example because I'm with a couple of his ad networks, and this one I don't have a whole lot on here. So I'm going to create and put up a banner. And just kind of so you know, like um, the uglier the banner, actually for some reason has the better click-through rate. So don't worry about being super fancy or getting really creative, with your graphics and stuff like that. You certainly can, but it's not going to help. Um, so I'm going to show you a way to be able to create these banners pretty fast. I'll show you a couple different ways to do it yourself. I'll show you another way where you can get other people to do it for you, or you can go to a site where maybe some of you are familiar with, called Fiverr, where you can get these types of things done for you for $5. So very first thing I'm going to do, I come here, edit banner name, and I'm going to call this one the blog beast traffic software. Okay, so now it's asking for a banner URL. So this is going to be the URL where the banner image that you're going to create is hosted. I'll show you where you can host that, how you can host that. And target URL is the place where when they click on the banner that the person's going to be redirected to. So let's just say I clicked on this banner. I'm going to right click and open into a new window just to show you what I mean. That one, when someone clicks on it, oh, that didn't work. If I click off, okay, there we go. And it took me to that person's squeeze page. Okay, I can kind of already tell this kind of looks a little bit like program that I've seen around. Okay, excuse me. Now, banner URL. Okay, so I was messing around the other day, and I was like, oh, how am I going to create these banners? So, that's how we get things done. You got an issue, you got a problem, you got an obstacle, you go take action. You try and find a solution. You go get it. Okay. I'm not creating banners like this good looking one. This is like, wow, it kind of stands out, but we don't have to get that fancy because, like I said, the uglier banners like this one right here get free advertising. It's ugly plain, but it gets probably a more click-through rate than, actually these are all kind of plain and ugly, but it probably gets more clicks than some fancier ones. So a lot of these plain ones, they probably get way better click-throughs. So what I like to do is open up a new tab. Where did I put these? I think I put them in here. Okay. So I like to go to a place called Banner Shack. Okay. Now there's probably all kinds of ways to do this, like I said, guys, but this is the way I came up with. I'm like, okay, I'm going to do this, all right? So what you want to do is create a new banner. You sign up for the site, so it's free. So I'm going to create a new banner. They give you all kinds of different sizes, so whatever size that you require, you can either click on here or you can just go through them all. I need to create a banner that's, it usually says on here, probably says on the previous page, but I know for here it's 468 by 60. So it's 468 long by 60 watt or high. So I'm going to go back here, and here's a 468 by 60. And they have some templates here that you can choose from. I wish I could put this window in a bigger window. I'm not sure how to do this right now, so you just gonna have to bear with me. So I'm gonna take, say, this guy right here. You can preview it. Okay, this is kind of the animated effect that it has. Okay. Cancel that one. Let's see here. Alright, I'm going to create this one. I did one like this the other day, so I just want to keep it simple. And so I'm going to click on that one. Okay, so try and get everything in the window here. I really wish I could open this up. But it's not letting me. Okay. So as you can see, there's some options, things you can do up here, but here's your banner. Okay. So all you have to do basically is double click whatever you want to edit. So I'm going to double click this, and I'm going to say build your list with ease. Okay. Slide that over like that. Okay, I'll keep that like that. And then, so this is basically, you can have these plain, but if they have a little bit of animation in them, you know, they may stick a little bit more and give you a bit more, better chance to get someone to click on it. So right here, I'm going to take this thing out here. I'm going to take this transition out because we don't need that. So I'm going to hit clear. That takes that out. I'm actually going to take these out as well. And this one. Okay, so now I'm just stuck with this one slide. Okay, there's lots of cool stuff you can do with this thing. If you wanted to upgrade, there's probably some more things you can do, but just for what we're doing, this is as simple as you need to get. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that, and you can just click on it and hit your delete key. So I'm going to start off with this, build your list with ease. Okay, that's going to be my first frame, first layer, if you want to say. So what I'm going to do is you can click on this little deal here in the corner and duplicate it. Okay, now I click on there, so that's active. So now if I want to add some more text, I would just click add text up here. Okay, and I'm just going to slide this over, double click in it. Let's see, build your list with ease. I would say hundreds of prospects, in just a few clicks. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that there. I'm gonna maybe just put it up a little bit. Okay, hundreds of prospects in just a few clicks. Okay, I like that. Then I'm going to click duplicate again. Make sure I'm on that frame. Double click in here again. And then I'm going to just portray like some arrows going to like this. And I'm going to duplicate it again. Make sure I'm on that one. And this time I'm going to space these out a little bit. Oops. Put some arrows there. Maybe take these ones out. Okay, duplicate it again. Okay, duplicate it again. Then you got to put a call to action. Click here now. Okay. So that's it. I pretty much created my banner. Okay. Build your list with ease. Hundreds of prospects in just a few clicks. Click here now. Now watch this button up here. I hit play. Now it's going to show each frame. Okay. Now, I want to do a couple of things here, so I'm going to cancel. I'm going to create one more frame here. This one, I'm going to take out the click here, so I'm going to delete this one, duplicate again. But this frame here, I just want to take out the click here so it flashes. Okay. So that's it. Then you can set your frames the second. So I like to make them, say, 1 second. 1 second. You only have a few seconds anyways. So 1, click on this one, make it 1. Now, okay. Let's put all 1 and see how it turns out, you know? Actually, maybe the arrows, I'll put half a second. Oh, I don't know why I didn't save it. Okay, we'll start this again. Just use this arrow down. Might work better. Okay, go back here. Okay, took it. Alright, so use the arrow. For some reason it works better. Alright. When I get to those arrows, I'm going to make them half a second. So here's arrows. Go down a half a second. Half a second. Half a second. The last one I'll do half a second too. Okay, sorry, I know you guys aren't seeing this right now. Just slide that over there. So here, the slide duration, you just click on whatever slide, and then you can use this arrow key to go down to the seconds that you want to set it at. Don't worry about transitions. If you can check that out if you want, but try to keep this simple. Okay, so now if I hit play, it should come out a little bit more smoother. There, look at that. So build your list with ease, hundreds of prospects in just a few clicks. The only thing I don't like is this right here keeps. So I'll have to see if I can get a way to get rid of that. I'm going to clear that. So on these frames, I'm going to click on each frame. I'm going to click on that build your list with ease, and then I'm going to go to the action, go to build clear. Oh, I don't know what that. Okay, I wonder if this. Hopefully this works. Clear. Basically, I'm just going each frame. I'm clicking on the text that I want to change, and it doesn't look like there's an action on there, but when I click on build, it's showing something. I'm just clearing it, and then hopefully this will work. Alright, so let's try this again. Look at that, guys. It worked. So now the build your list stays there during the transitions of these other elements. So, cool. Alright. So now that I got this banner, it's all set to go pretty much. There's a few more things that we need to do. So I'm going to save this. Just give it a name. Don't matter. It doesn't really matter what you set in here because we're using this site here just to create the actual banner. Okay? And then I'll show you how we get the actual URL, because like I said, this is the way I'm doing it. If you guys got an easier way, then do that. But I wanted to share this way with you. So, okay, so now basically, I just put google.com just because it needs something in there. For some reason, it won't split. It won't spit out like just a URL or whatever. So, save, publish. I'll show you how we're going to get around this. Alright. Alright, so here it is. It's going to show up here. Okay. So what I like to do is using the same tool that I'm using right now to record. Oh, sorry, no, I'm not. Forget that. Okay, there's a little program called Jing, which you may or may not know of. I'll put that also in underneath this video so you can download and use it. It's free. I'll bring my window up here. See this sun here? This is installed on my computer. It's a free tool. It's called Jing, and it allows you to record up to 5 minutes for free. Okay, and you can record and take snapshots. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get ready to take a snapshot of each frame of this. So oops. Let me try this again. Alright, there we go. So I took a snapshot of this first frame that I want. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it here. And you can see on my cursor the dimensions. So it's going to go 468 by 60. And then if you need to move this around after, you can. And put it back. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Okay, so capture image. And I'm going to call this, let's call this 8. I'm going to call these in sequential number. I'm going to save this to here. You guys can save it to your desktop, maybe whatever is easier for you. Okay, so now I'm going to click the next right there. So that's the next part of my frame. So 468 by 60. That one looks pretty centered. I'm just going to go up a little bit. Alright, let's capture. We'll call this 9. Save. Alright, so now I captured the next section. Ooh, 468 by 60, right on. Alright. Call this one 10. Save. Do. There. Ooh, I'll have to try again here. There we go, we got that frame. Capture, call it an 11. Save. Save. Now I caught it with the click here now. 468 by 60. It's going to move this one around a little bit. Okay. It's 12. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. Okay, I think I'll get one more here. Now we want to do it without the click, and then one more with the click here now. 468, 60. This one's 13. There. Slide that over a little bit. Okay. And this one's 14. Okay, so now that we got that done, now we are going to another site called Free Online Animated GIF Maker. Okay. So now first thing we want to do is set the size. So 468 by 60. The speed, you can play with that after. But right now I'm just going to upload my images. Okay. So I'm going to click on Upload Images. I'm going to find those images. Where did I put them? Here we go. Alright. So we're looking at 8. So you can just click on the first one, hold the Control key, and select the other ones. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I believe those are the ones. Open. Does it pretty fast. And boom, there they're all in there. Oh, I selected one that wasn't supposed to be in there. So I'm going to hit reset and do this all over. 468 by 60. Now 8, 9, 10. Well, 11's not part of it, so I think I skipped 11. 12, 13, 14. Alright, try that. Let's see how this turns out, guys. Alright, I don't know why it changed to 467. I'm just going to leave it. But you can create now. And you can view it. View the frame animation. So I'm just going to click on here and view it. There you go, guys. It's not the most fancy, but it is a way to create your banners. Don't let it hold you back. Okay? So, go back to there. I'm going to download the GIF image. I'm going to leave it the name. And I'm going to put it in here. Alright, so now when I go back to the Thank You Ad Network, now you have to host that image somewhere, okay? I know it's a bit of a process, guys, but once you set this up, and it'll become quicker for you. I created like 4 in a matter of an hour, just the other day. So as you do it, you'll get quicker at it. You maybe even find easier ways to get it done. So what I do, you can there's a few different ways you can host these images. You can put them on your own server if you have one, and give it a folder name and put the images in there that'll call it up. You can, if you have WordPress installed, you got a blog or something, you can upload it to there and use that URL where it's actually hosted. Or what I like to do is I use Amazon S3. It's very, very cheap hosting. I use it for some stuff. So I'm just going to go into my Amazon. I'm going to log into there. Okay. Go to my S3 account. And I'm just going to kind of block off some of this stuff. So I'm going to go into my Banner Ad Network folder. Basically, I'm going to upload that image, and I believe it is this one. Yeah, open that, upload it. Okay, very quick. Now, which one is that? Ends with a QJ. So now I'm going to actually make this public. Okay. And now I'm going to get the link that I need here. So basically, I'm hosting this on Amazon S3. It's a cloud, hosting thing. Okay. Now I have that. So now I can go back to here. I could paste in where it's hosted. And now I'm going to put the link where I want them to be redirected to once they click on the actual banner. And in this case, I want to take them to my blog Beast Traffic Software site. But what I like to actually do is it's important that you're tracking the clicks, for your own good, because they have statistics in the back of the ad network. But what if it's good to know that you do your own tracking as well, so you're accountable for your own stuff. So I have a blog that there's all kinds of free tracking tools that you could use. Like I said, there's things out there. Don't get stuck on what to use. Just use something, and over time you will always develop easier, better ways. So this is just what I do right now. So I use a plugin called PrettyLink, and it's a pretty cool way to be able to track some of your stuff. So you just create a new PrettyLink, and my target is going to be the blog beasttrafficsoftware.com. That's where I want them to go to. You can change this if you want for you, but I always put a description in here anyway. So Frank's thank you ad network. Thank you network banner 1 blog beast truck software. Alright, so I'm going to hit create, just in there. Okay, so now I've created a link for me. Now I can copy this link to the clipboard, and now I can go back to the site here, and I could put in the target. So now I'll be able to track the clicks as well. Preview banner. Here's the preview of it right here. It's not the best, guys, but it's something, right? Alright. Save. That's it. So, guys, I created a banner that I inputted into the system. Okay. And that's how you get things done. You go for it, you do it. I hope that you guys have found some value in this little training video on how to create banners and get them up there. Below this video, I'm going to put the 3 different ad networks that I'm using to help me get traffic to some of my my business or my offers and stuff that I'm doing to build my list with. And I think what I'll do is I'll even put the Blog Beast Traffic software link below this video so you can have access to that as well. It's a great little software that you can download onto your computer, and you can start utilizing that, and I should be coming out with some trainings on how to use that as well. It's a great way to tap in to other marketers out there in different social networks, where you'll be able to get their emails, not send spam to them because nobody likes that, but there's also a no spam solution video that's going to come with it that will show you what to do with those emails once you get them. Basically, you'll be able to use them and connect with people that are already associated with other social networks they may be a part of. Okay, it's a great way to connect with them, get your offers, your business opportunity in front of them, and that's how it's done, guys. So just keep working at this stuff daily. That is the biggest key that I can express, is just to take consistent daily action. You know, whether it's an hour a day, half an hour a day, just make sure that you're doing certain actions every day that help you get your stuff out there, that you're building a list, and over time you're going to learn how to provide value to that list, so that when you're sending out emails, that they're opening them up, they're interested in hearing from you, you're providing them value, and over time you're going to be building a list where you're going to people are going to start buying things from you, and then you're going to segment that into a buyer's list. And now when you send stuff to that buyer's list, a very high percentage of them are going to buy what you offer them. And as long as it's all cool and congruent, that you're not just sending them all kinds of crap stuff, So I mean, I've done a lot of things the bad way in the past, and because that's some ways that I was taught by certain people out there. So you really got to watch on who you're taking advice from, and you just really got to go out there and take action. Though that's the biggest key. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to more training videos like this to help you guys get more traffic to your offers, your businesses, and stuff like that. And we'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.